Hello, this is Tanya again, and we are live with the meal that I have prepared with the steak, the rice, and the corn. Okay. Now I have not forgot. Since this is a chat session, I must wear my mask. Okay. So here's my mask. It's a fresh mask. I just forgot, and I'm gonna put this on because when you talk over food, and it might be more than for yourself, then that's rude. So I'm gonna turn this way, and I'm gonna show you the other meals that I have prepared out of that one meal. Here's one meal, and that's with the rice and some red pepper with the meat and with Parmesan cheese. Okay, here's another meal, a little side thick dish of soup, ricey corn, and with crackers on the side. Okay, and the meal that I have actually prepared with you all on is still in the oven. I put the heat down to 250. Okay, that's what I ended up doing. Now I'm gonna turn the heat all the way off. Now I'm gonna take it out, and I put it on 250 because I had to leave the apartment for a little bit, and that kept everything going. Now, what the what what the temp oil does is it keeps everything nice and moist. And this is how it turned out. Okay, with it being nice and moist. Now, what you do with that is you end up taking the rest of this and you take your spoon and you politely pour it on top. And you place the meat there as well. And this is how the pan end up looking at the bottom. And here's the meat right here. And this is the bone, so you don't want to touch the bone. And you take the meat and not the bones. And you spread it on top. And some people aren't gonna know that's two pieces right there and not one. And I don't want to touch this because it is hot. So I'm gonna turn it so you'll see what it ended up looking like. So this is one meal. This is the next meal. This is the next meal. This is nothing. And the crackers for the soup. So this is what I'll be munching on all day to day. And this is how my meal will look. I'm going to start off with a little cream, the soup with the crackers, my dinner. So this is supposed to be like a little light lunch, a little breakfasty treat, and the dinner. Some people cannot eat the same thing. So this is how I treat my leftovers. This is like a leftover treat. Okay? And the little crackers will help out. And if they don't like one thing, they might like the other. Okay? And then that little bone on the side, good juicy behaved dog. Or either you like munching on bones, there it is. But those are the different meals that I made out of just that meat, rice, and corn. So I made 1, 2, 3 different meals. And it's 2 packets. So that's 4. With the crackers, that's 5. Okay? Because you can split this in half and share this with a friend. You can split this in half and share this also with a friend. And if you want to, if you like it more soupy and not thick, just like you do can of soup, add a little water in there, make it real thin, and serve it. And if you like a more of a pie look, you could take this out, put this in there or this in there, and put a layer on top and split holes in it, and it'll be a pie. I'll make that one for you. Out of the salmon, I'm gonna make. I'll make that early in the morning tomorrow, about 4 or 5 o'clock. I call that basically at night because everybody is asleep. Or 3 o'clock in the morning. But I hope you like the way I prepared my food, and I hope to hear your reviews, and I hope to see your reviews and hear from you. And these kind of crackers are the sweet crackers, the wheat crackers, the wheat sweet crackers, and not the ones with the sugar on it. Okay. And basically, any type of crackers, even the regular crackers of the wheat and the white crackers that people use, or the fish crackers, the star crackers, would be good for this as well. So I'm not going to do any more dishes. I'm going to have to go ahead and pull out something and put all that in and wash them. And I'll show that part later on. Okay. More ways to wash dishes. Okay. Until we get to the real what? Dish. The dish bucket. And when we get the real dish bucket, then you'll know. So I'm gonna move you out a little bit, a step at a time. We're gonna do dishes next week live. Say about what, Wednesday? It won't be these dishes. It'll probably be another set of dishes, but it'll be next week Wednesday when you can raise up and get something else other than using your same pots and pans to wash dishes. Okay? You all keep it live, keep it flowing, and thank you for everything. You all stay tuned and keep it at TMW like pink at gmail.com. Take care. Bye bye.